Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Infected Chef Pigster. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing 2 circles. And then another circle inside each of these. Now let's add a curve on top of each eye. And then another one underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve across on top. And then bring it down from both sides. Now on the top left, let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point for the ear. And the same thing inside. Now on the top right, instead of adding an ear, let's draw a vial. Let's draw 2 angled lines up, a curve at the end, and one more curve inside near the top. That's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the nose. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's curve it down. And another curve at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and add 2 circles. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the shape of the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve out and then curve it back in at the bottom. And the same thing on the right side. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now on the sides, let's add the arms. Let's start on the sides next to the head and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. And then a curve underneath for the other side of the arms. Now let's draw the hands at the end. From the bottom line, let's curve it down. Then let's add a curved triangle shape for the nail. And then one more bump. Now for the next finger, let's draw a bump going out and leave a gap and let's draw another bump. And the same on the other hand. Now in that gap, let's draw the nail in the same way. Now next to it, let's add another finger on each hand in the same way as the other finger. And then one more finger. And then this time, let's close off the hand by bringing it up to the arm. Lastly, on top of the left arm, let's draw 2 more vials. Let's draw 2 angled lines up, a curve across the top, and another one inside. And then let's draw another one next to it. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move inside and let's draw the details on the body. Inside, let's draw 2 angled vials. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 curved lines down on both sides like this. Then for the ends, let's angle it up and out. And add an oval at the top. now underneath each one, let's add another angled curve. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth in the bottom section. Start by drawing a large curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it down. And then another curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the teeth. Inside at the top, from the center, let's draw a curved V-shape down on both sides. Now let's hop down and let's draw two longer teeth going up. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw another set of teeth. Then leave a gap and let's draw another one, curving out this time. And one more curving inwards. Now let's hop down and let's draw another set of teeth, slightly smaller. And then two more angled teeth on both sides. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop down and draw the feet. Underneath on the left, let's draw two lines down, with the inside line being longer. And the same on the right. Then close off the bottom of each foot by drawing two bumps like this. And that's it for Infected Chef Pigster. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!